friends, welcome to governmentjobspreparation.com. My name is Preeti and today our chapter is Time and Work, first type B part. Let's see the questions. Our first question is A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days while B and C together can do that work in 15 days and C and A can do that work in 20 days. Calculate in what time they finish the work together. We are given A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do in 15 days and C and A together can do in 20 days. In first time I told you we have to take the LCM of these numbers which are given. So what is the LCM of these three numbers? That is 60. It means, and this is always total work. Now 12 is 5 times of 60, 15 is 4 times of 60 and 20 is 3 times of 60. Now the ratio of these ratio is A plus B is equal to 5, B plus C is equal to 4 and C plus A is equal to 3. And we have to calculate in what time they finish the work together. A plus B plus C plus C plus A. First, we can see A is common, B is common and C is also common. So take 2 outside and A plus B plus C is equal to 12. So A plus B plus C is equal to 12 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So A plus B plus C is equal to 6. And what is the total time? Total time is 60. And A, B, C is equal to 6. So they all can together finish the work in 10 days. So this is the answer. Right? Now second question is, in what time A alone can complete the work? A plus B plus C is equal to 6 and we have to get A. We have to get that time when A alone can complete the work. So take this statement, B plus C is equal to 4 and from here we can get A, that is 2. Now we have to get that time when A alone can complete the work. Total work is 60 and A is 2. So A alone can do that work in 30 days. So this is the answer. Right? Now second question is, A is 20. It means A can do a piece of work in 20 days while B can do the same work in 25 days. Right? Now the question is, A and B started the work. First of all, we write A and B. A is 20 and B is 25. Take the multiple, that is 100. 20 is 5 times of 100 and 25 is 4 times of 100. So the ratio is 5:4. Right? And the question is, A and B started the work and they worked for 4 days. They both started the work. It means 9 into and they worked for 4 days. That is 36. So out of 100, this is our total work. Out of 100, A and B have completed this work, that is, it means this is remaining work. Right. Now the question is, A and B started the work and they work for 4 days. After that, A gets ill and he works 80% of his ability. Right. A is 5 and when he gets ill, he works 80% of his ability, that is 4. Now A is not 5, A becomes 4, right? Calculate in what time remaining work will be finished. Remaining work is 64 and it is done by A plus B, right? Now A is 4 and B is also 4. So it means they together will finish this work in 8 days. So our answer is 8 days. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do the same work in 15 days, and C and A can do in 20 days. A और B किसी काम को 12 दिन में, B और C मिलकर किसी काम को 15 दिन में, और C और A किसी काम को मिलकर 20 दिन में पूरा करते हैं. तो हमें बताना है in what time they finish the work together. वो तीनों मिलकर टोटल वर्क कितने दिन में खत्म कर लेंगे. A और B हमें 12 दिया हुआ है, B और C 15, C और A 20. हमें हमेशा मल्टीपल निकालना है. मल्टीपल क्या है इन तीनों का? 60. 12 से 5 गुना, 15 से 4 गुना और 20 से 3 गुना. ये रेशो हो गई. A प्लस B की रेशो 5, B प्लस C की रेशो 5, C प्लस A की रेशो 3. रेशो को ऐड करेंगे 12 आ गया. A प्लस B हमें तीनों का निकालना है. A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to 12. Now A is common, B is common and C is common. So take 2 outside. Now A plus B plus C and is equal to 12. A plus B plus C, 12 divided by 2 and A plus B plus C is equal to 6. We have to get the time in which they finish the work together. A plus B plus C is 6. Total work is 60. वो तीनों मिलकर पूरे काम को तीनों मिलकर 10 दिन में खत्म कर लेंगे. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया पहले क्वेश्चन का. Excuse me. Next question. In what time, कितने समय में A अकेला काम को खत्म कर लेगा? हमें पता है A प्लस B प्लस C 6 है और B प्लस C 4 है. हमने B प्लस C इसलिए लिया क्योंकि हमें A की जरूरत है. A कितना आया? 2. टोटल वर्क है 60. A वो कितने दिन में खत्म कर लेगा? 30 दिन में. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, A किसी काम को 20 दिन में खत्म करता है और B किसी काम को 25 दिन में. A और B ने काम शुरू किया और उन्होंने 4 दिन तक काम किया. पहले हमने इनका एलसीएम लिया. टोटल वर्क 100 हो गया. रेशो 5:4 हो गई. A और B टुगेदर हो गए 9. उन दोनों ने मिलकर 4 दिन तक काम किया. इट मीन्स 9 into 4 36. उन्होंने इतना काम खत्म कर लिया. कितने में से? 100 में से. बचा कितना? 64. उसके बाद A बीमार हो गया और वो जितना काम करता था उससे 80% अब वो काम करने लगा है. 5 का 80% निकाला तो 4 आया. अब वो पहले 5 था लेकिन अब 4 हो गया है. अब बताना है कि रिमेनिंग वर्क कितने टाइम में खत्म हो जाएगा. रिमेनिंग वर्क कितना था हमारा? 64. 64 को वो दोनों मिलकर यानी कि 4 + 4 = 8. 64 जो वर्क है उसको वो दोनों मिलकर 8 दिन में खत्म कर लेंगे. सो ये हमारा 8 डेज हमारा आंसर हो गया। ये था हमारा टाइम इन वर्क टाइप 1 बी पार्ट। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड कीप स्टडिंग।